Hey guys, my order arrived from Nike.com PH. It's from Singapore. I thought they're gonna ship it from Manila, but this came from Singapore and it arrived like 2 weeks after I purchased it. This is a Jordan Mars 270. I hope that's what's inside of this box. So let's unbox. So the courier from Singapore is Aramex, and then the forwarder here in Philippines is called RAF International something, and then they use LBC in delivering the package locally. So here we go. Alright. Oh, this is a Nike box. I thought it's just another common box. So yeah, I think this is legit.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
A Nike box. And then we have this Jordan size 9 Jordan Mars 270. The colorway is black, reflect silver, starfish noir.
It's French for the black
Okay,
colorway.
so here we go. Oh, I love this one. Alright, yes, it is legit.
Oh my gosh, it looks so lit.
Yeah,
Super.
the silver here is reflective. I like the sole.
Let's go to the gym. Are you wearing that
Yeah, I'm gonna wear
today?
this.
Oh my god. So nice.
I think I might order another one.
Me too.
So this is my first choice between black red and black orange white. I think I like orange. Maybe the next item will be the black red colorway. So ordering from Nike.com PH is legit. It just takes you like 2 weeks, especially when you're living in a province. So
It's free
super
shipping
cool.
too.
Yeah, it's
can
free,
do
it's free
express.
shipping if your order is above 5,000 pesos.
But you also have the option to do express. But I don't know what's the
I
delivery
don't
time
do
though.
express, like the courier is the same. They just ship it.
Oh my god.
Earlier.
Can't
than-
wait for you to wear them. They look so nice.
Yeah, let's end this. Peace out.
Okay, guys. Bye. Ta-da!